For flushing line sets, many manufacturers only recommend the use of R22 as a flushing agent. As we're all aware, flushing with R22 has become very expensive. There are a number of flushing agents on the market, but manufacturers tend to not accept these practices. But the real world says you have to do something, so if you're going to use a flushing agent, let's use it properly. This tech tip shouldn't replace any manufacturer's recommendations. It should give you an idea how to use these products in your company. Flushing agents dissipate oxygen, so definitely use them in a well-ventilated area. Disconnect the line set from the evaporator and the condenser. Whenever possible, braze in a 1/4-inch access fitting at the very highest point. This will help you flush the agent through. Do not try and braze the line set together. It is much easier to start at the high point and flush to the low point. To start off, purge the liquid line and the suction line from the top down with nitrogen. This will help blow out any of the large particles first. Next, you will connect your flushing agent to the liquid line and the suction line, flushing the refrigerant from the top down. It works out very well for you to crimp off the ends of those lines. This will allow the purging agent to stay in the liquid form. Remember, it's the liquid form that cleans, not the vapor. Flush until the refrigerant runs clear. When they run clear, you know that you've gotten the biggest part of the oil and trash from the line set. Follow the flushing agent with nitrogen again. This will pick up any residue left behind. Remember, many manufacturers use the metric system for their weights of their products. There's approximately 450 grams per pound. 1 pound will typically handle 4 to 5 tons. Some manufacturers don't recommend the use of trying to clean an R22 evaporator coil for reuse. They're not sure whether you can get all of the oil or the trash out, or even if the system has ever been pressure tested to use R410A. Remember, whenever possible, always use manufacturer's instructions.